Second week of August to order. Please rise for the invocation to be led by Councilor Apple Bakay and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, isang awit ng Pilipinas.
Secretary, please set up the Madam Secretary, please conduct the roll call.
Presiding Officer, Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Valpere.
Present.
Presiding Officer Pro Tempore, Councilor Apollonia G. Bakay. Present. The Majority Floor Leader, Councilor Cirilo Birador.
Present.
The Minority Floor Leader, Councilor Oscar A. Buling.
Present.
Councilor Caroline D. Sison.
Present.
Councilor Michelle S. Segondera.
Present.
Councilor Joselito Ofontelera.
Present.
Councilor Berna S. Derabago.
Present.
Councilor Probel Iranoy. Councilor Dalia M. De Leon.
Present.
Councilor Alfred Felix C. De Castro. Liga ng mga Barangay President Raul B. Bakay. Panglusod ng Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan President Laber D. B. Bernabe. 9 members of this August body responded to the call, sir.
9 members respond to the call and now certified for quorum. We may now transact official business.
Approval of agenda.
Majority Floor Leader. And is there any,
We have one unassigned business, Mr. Chair. He proposed amended revenue code of Paliadaan.
okay, any other unassigned business with the body? Thank you. Unassigned. Councilor. Thank you. Any other unassigned businesses? Yes. Huh? Ano yun? I think majority Floor Leader na lang.
Okay, in the absence of Councilor Ranoy, Chairman, I understand that we now have to set committee hearings for the accreditation of CSOs. So initially, I proposed that we schedule a committee hearing.
Sige, yun na lang muna. Basta, we have two unassigned businesses. The Court of Balitaan and the hearing for the CSOs.
Accreditation.
Any other unassigned businesses? Kung wala na, is there any motion to approve the agenda?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move that our agenda for today, aside from the items in our calendar, including into other non-assigned businesses, be approved.
Okay, it has been moved by Councilor Sirigo to seconded by Councilor Apollo G. Bakay and Councilor Carol Dizon Season for the approval of the said agenda. Any objection? Amendment, discussion, hearing none, the said agenda is approved. Madam Secretary.
Adoption of the journal and minutes of the ESPE regular session held on August 6, 2019.
Councilor Secretary.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move for the adoption of the journal and minutes of the SP regular session held on August 6, 2019.
It has been moved by Councilor Secretary, seconded by Councilor Dato and Councilor Season for the adoption of the journal and minutes of the SP regular session held on August 6, 2019. Any objection? Amendment, discussion? I went over the minutes of the August 16. Parang meron mga kulang pa pong mga details. Though the journal okay na po. So may I request siguro na we adopt the journal first and then give me more time to give my suggestions po dun sa minutes. Okay lang. Okay, so any other suggestions? If none, the said journal of August 6, 2019 is adopted and yung minutes to follow in our next regular session. Next item, Madam Secretary.
Referring to business, under proposed resolutions, we have resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian C. Celeste to enter into memorandum of agreement by and between the local government unit Alaminos City, Pangasinan and the Land Bank of the Philippines to enable our qualified city government employees to gain access to the livelihood loan facility of the government financial institution. And the next item is the resolution constituting the membership of two Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board, first and second level positions and executive managerial positions.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I move that our generals be elected to accommodate our resource papers to measures under proposed resolution.
Has been moved by Councilor Roque, seconded by Councilor Boling and Councilor Rapalo and Councilor Apollo G. Bakay for the suspension of the rules. Madam Secretary, kindly acknowledge our guests for today.
For item number 1, we have Ma'am Maria Rizalin T. Martinez from our City Accountant's Office.
Good afternoon po. This one is required po by Land Bank, yung submission of SP resolution in order to authorize our yung loan signatories, which are City Mayor and Manchurli, for the in order to for the livelihood loan facility to be availed with Land Bank of the Philippines.
Any questions from the body?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Councilor Roque, selected ma'am.
In page 2, Madam, under letter B, loan amount. What is meant by the second sentence for avoidance of doubt gross pay? Shall include basic pay and rata, ECA, pera, meal allowance, and other fixed allowance. Page 2, yung loan amount, yung dalawang sentence doon, yung pangalawa, anong ibig sabihin nun?
Yung for avoidance of doubt gross, dinifine lang yung ano sir, what is included with the gross pay. Kasi yung amount of loan that can be availed, yung mga hihiram is 8 months of the gross pay. So yung land bank, binify niya what is specifically included under the gross pay, which is yung basic pay, rata, akapera, meal allowance, and other fixed allowance.
Bakit gagamitin yung word na avoidance? Parang ibang ibig sabihin nun. Bakit nalang sinabi for the computation of gross pay kaysa yung word na avoidance? Hindi kaya nagkamali dito? Oo nga. Hindi kaya sila nagkamali dito? Bakit avoidance ang ginamit na word? Baka computation lang ito kami.
Yes sir, sa computation para yung sa gross pay, specific lang yung mga items na nandun.
Yung word na avoidance lang para.
Ang ilagay na lang maximum
Oo. Bakit kailangan avoidance? Avoidance sa tax evasion yan eh.
Hindi pa naman
Tax evasion at avoidance din.
Tanggal na lang namin ito. Tanggal na lang namin itong portion. Dinadagdagan yung for avoidance.
Sana na lang, nalagay na lang dito, gross pay shall include. Mas simple, maintindihan namin. Ewan ko lang kung, pero sa tingin ko nagkamali lang sila. Oo, clear na lang sa kanila.
For avoidance of doubt, parang clarify lang nila. Pero on the negative.
Hindi, avoidance eh. Tapos doubt.
Any other questions? Ma'am? Councilor Silvera, go ahead.
Given that the qualified employees will be granted access to this privilege, how much is the required minimum net take-home pay dapat po for every employee?
Yung nandoon po sa GAA, dapat 5,000
Ang take home.
pay ng empleyado.
Thank you.
So required po yun, ma'am. Hindi pwedeng bumaba sa 5,000 per cut-off or per month. Yung 5,000.
Per month.
Per month. So parang 2,525 pwede ka na. Any other questions po? Ma'am, ito ba yung... Ito po ba yung inaano natin every... Pinaka-renew itong resolution to every term? Ganun po ba? Allowing the... Di ba meron tayo nito ngayon? We currently have this in our city hall.
Parang first time ito.
Parang wala pa.
First time ba?
Parang first time ito.
Pero nagpapaloan na. Meron na lang.
Wow.
Kasi nagkakalak. Meron na siya.
Meron. Meron.
Pero hindi ko alam kung may memorandum ba. Meron din man nakapirma si Mami. Naghanap ako ng copy. Kaya baka nakikita ko.
Are you aware, ma'am, kung meron? You're not sure po. Alam ko meron na ito.
Nagtanong pa ako kasi sa record ko ng sir kanina kung mayroon silang memorandum of agreement before during the term ni Mayor R. Pero wala silang, baka hindi sila nagbigay sa record.
As far as I
Parang
know.
pinalitan nilang dito sir eh. Kaya nakapirma na sila, pinalitan yung pangalan ng Mayor.
So if we approve this, it will supersede the previous resolution, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. Any other questions? Pwede na pumunta. Kung wala na, we then proceed to
Ba?
item number 2.
Bawal ang meeting.
Pwede? Pwede? Senior pwede, 64 years old. Pero kukuha siya na.
Madam Secretary, item number 2.
For item number 2, we have Madam Wilma B. Neri, City Government Department Head 1 from our Human Resource Management Office.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Pwede ka ba?
Good afternoon, Vice.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Congress Party, good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. Can you maybe give us a brief background regarding the said resolution po? siguro yung sa PSB ko para ma-enlighten po yung ating mga bagong kasamahan sa sanggunian.
Hindi ako ready.
Sa personal selection board, ma'am, pwede niyo bang i-describe po ng konti sa PSB po?
Ito yung...
Or yung process ako?
Ito yung... Anong tawag ko? Committee na tutulong sa as to the case ng legislative and as the appointing authorities, the vice mayor, at sa office of the executive is the mayor, yung tutulong na committee sa pag-hire ng mga empleyado. Yung para sa judicious and
Ayan, para ma-qualify yung ating mga nag-applicante para po for appointment. For yung ilan po ba ang member ng PSB, ma'am?
dalawa kasi ang HRM-PSB, one for the first and second level position. Yun yung ang chairman is the local chief executive or the authorized representative of the mayor, the highest human resource management officer, the department head where the vacancy exists, one from the first and second level position, at para sa mga department head, iba din yung composition.
Pero lahat po kayo nag-convene sa may sama-sama. Okay, any other questions from the body? Councilor Season.
Regarding sa resolution, nakalagay po rito yung composition ng PSP. Pero po natin nakalagay na yung sa SP. Diba dati po may kasama?
Yung dati, pwede din dagdagan. Pwede din dagdagan yung composition. Yun yung mayroong sanggunian Pagosud member. Ang nakalagay doon, 2 lang ang nakalagay. Pero, hindi naka-identify doon kung sinong committee.
Okay. Do we have a draft of the... Any other questions?
Resolution? Meron na.
Ay, meron
Pero
ba?
pwede i-request this time na... Ay, hindi.
Councilor Season.
Yes, Vice. Kasi nabanasan kong hindi kasama sa PSP ba? Hawak ko ang Committee on Trade, Commerce, Labor, or part ng PSP.
Wala yan.
Tsaka isang laws and rules. So actually,
Can you have a draft? Wala rin akong draft. Councilor Season, you were asking a question.
yes, Vice. Regarding sa composition ng PSP, kung possible pa ba may isamang dalawang SP members?
Pwede.
Sa committee.
Pwede.
Councilor Radox, recognize.
In the previous resolution, renaming the personal selection board, members from the Sangguniang Panglungsod were the chairman on Committee on Finance, Appropriation, Ways and Means, and chairperson Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Livelihood, and Cooperative, or in the absence of any of the above named officers, the chairperson of the Sangguniang Panglungsod Committee on Labor, Trade, and Industry, and OFW. Yun po yung members na sanggunian doon sa unang resolution. Last administration na member ng Personal Selection Board. Kami po lang, si Councilor Pina.
Ito ba yan?
Bago yan.
Okay, so, Councilor Season, sorry, you had a question. Di lang, kung may dalawa. Definitely, I think meron talagang part ang sanggunian. Like the last time, ang maging part is yung ating Councilor Rodolfo and Councilor Tina Gabriel. And then nasa sa atin naman siguro kung anong gusto po natin dun sa resolution. Any other questions? So ito yung bago, yung luma.
18 tas 11.
That's 11.
Any other questions? The chair rules for a 1-minute recess.
Ito?
Any other questions from our department head? Kung wala na, we will now lift the suspension of the rules. What is the pleasure of the body regarding item number 1 and 2? Councilor Rado.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, for item number 1 under proposed resolution, I move that the same be elevated to our business of the day for deliberation and approval. In the same time with item number 2, the resolution requesting including the membership of the Personal Selection Board.
Okay, has been moved by Councilor Cirilo, duly seconded by Councilor Season that we include the two items under proposed resolutions in our business of the day. Any objection? Hearing none, the said two items are included in the business of the day. Okay, next item, where we
I proceed to the unassigned business.
With respect to the proposed ordinance of Barangay Balidaan on the tax revenue post, Mr. Chairman, I want that the same be elevated to our business of the day for deliberation and approval.
It's been moved by... Ano ba tayo? Paano sila? Pa-review? Yung pa-review ito? Matapos na ito. It's been moved by Councilor Cyril Doc, duly seconded by Councilor Secretary and Councilor Apolonio Bakay, that we include the ordinance of Barangay Balitaan in our business today for deliberation. Any objection? Amendment, hearing none. The said ordinance, the ordinance is included in our business of the day for deliberation. Next item would be the CSO, Councilor Proyecto Renoy. Yung sa ano? Sa CSO.
Is scheduled the committee hearing on August 16, 9 a.m.
Councilor Proyecto Renoy moves to schedule a committee hearing regarding the accreditation of civil service organizations on August 16, 9 o'clock in the morning. And the second, seconded by Councilor Tilian and Councilor Lalo. With that, the committee hearing is set on August 16, 9 o'clock in the morning. Next item, Secretary.
We proceed to committee reports. The first item is the Appropriation Committee report from the hearing held on August 9 regarding the annual and supplemental budgets 2019 of the following barangays: Barangay Nirangan, Kibuar, Balangubong, Balayang, Cabatuan, Bulacan, Maawe, Magsaysay, Palamis, Pukal-Pukal, Polo, San Antonio, Tangkarang, and Telbang.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, the committee hearing was conducted on August 9, 2019. Present were my colleagues, Councilor Apolonio Bakay and Councilor Oscar Bowling. Also present were the representatives from the Budget Office, Madam Faye Cabansag and Madam Fatima Muhammad. Representatives from the Accounting Office, Madam Marisalin Martinez and Mr. Leopoldo Casipit Isiken. Yung barangays, Barangay Committee Chairman on Appropriations and Barangay Treasurers from the concerned barangays. The representatives of each barangay were given the opportunity to present to the body their proposed annual budgets and supplemental budgets. Some clarifications were discussed during the deliberation, particularly their priority projects in the respective barangays. Based on the hearing conducted and the certification from the local finance committee as to the substantial compliance of the barangay budgets to applicable budgeting rules and laws, the committee found these 14 barangay budgets in order. Our recommendation is for the adoption of this committee report, and it is moved that resolution be adopted declaring valid and operative the barangays mentioned in the committee report. 14 barangays in all, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, it has been moved by Councilor Cyril Doc. In a second. Seconded by Councilor Season and Councilor Apol Bakay. For the adoption of the committee report and the said item be included to our business of the day. Any objection? Hearing none, the said committee report is hereby adopted and the said item is included in our business of the day for deliberation. Next item.
Appropriation Committee report from the hearing held on August 9 regarding the ST Annual Budget 2019 of the 37 barangays.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, committee hearing was conducted for this purpose on August 9, 2019. Present were Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Apolonia Bakay, and our SKP Laborly Bernabe, as well as SK presidents from different barangays in the city. Representatives from the budget and accounting offices were likewise present. This committee has expressed apprehension to review the SK annual budget of different barangays because the 10% SK funds were already embedded in the overall annual budget of the respective barangays. Further, Sangguniang can only review barangay ordinances and executive orders issued by barangay chairman. Thus, since the nature of the SK annual budget is in the form of a resolution, the authority to review is subjected to the respective barangay council. According to Ms. Cabansag from the budget office, her office just complied with the advice of COA to submit PSK annual budget to the Sangguniang. She added that while it is true that PSK budget was embodied in the annual budget of the barangays, yet the details on how to disperse the budget were not enumerated, thus the need for review of this August body. In the course of the discussion, Ms. Cabansag was enlightened at the end that what their office is required to do is merely to furnish the Sangguniang Panglungsod of the PSK annual budget, but there is no need for the Sangguniang to review in the absence of any memorandum circular or barangay ordinance. In view of the above stated findings, Mr. Chairman, the committee hereby moves for the adoption of this committee report and that the subject matter be deleted from our agenda na archive.
Archive natin. It has been moved by Councilor Cirilo Doc and seconded by Councilor Bowling and Councilor Abraham G. Bakay for the adoption of the committee report and the said item be deleted in our calendar and the said item measure be archived. In objection, hearing none, the motion is carried that the committee report is adopted. Next item.
Joint committee report from the hearing held on August 9th regarding the ordinance amending Article 11 of City Ordinance Number 2005-22, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Transportation and Traffic Ordinance of the City of Alaminos, enacted on November 18, 2005.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, on behalf of the committee chair, who was not around that time, I presided over the committee hearing and facilitated committee hearing pertaining to the above subject matter on August 9, 2019. Joining me were my colleagues, City Councilors Oscar Bowling and Apolonio Bakay, with the representatives from the engineering, zoning, market, POSO, offices, and some members of the Alaminos City Police Force. The Honorable City Vice Mayor, si Antonio Miguel Perez, was also present. During the committee hearing, you clarified that the main purpose of the hearing is to discuss matters concerning legislative action in compliance with the Presidential Directive ordering every LGUs to reclaim public roads which are being used or occupied by private citizens and in the process rid them of all illegal structures and constructions. There is a need then to revisit the comprehensive transportation and traffic ordinance of the City of Alaminos to effectively carry out the order of the President. The following issues were sought to resolve during the hearing. Identify designated parking spaces, lots within the City of Alaminos, that is for the TODAs, PUGs, PUBs, and private vehicles. To define Appendix B as provided for in Article 11 of the Traffic Ordinance. To put more teeth to the ordinance by providing appropriate penalties and to extend the boundaries of the central business district. Since there are other issues and concerns raised by the attendees receiving the said ordinance, the committee agreed to consolidate all the suggestions and set another hearing to be scheduled on August 23 to consolidate more inputs. In view of the above stated findings, the committee hereby moves for the adoption of this committee report and that another committee hearing is scheduled on August 23, 2019.
There's a motion that we adopt the committee report. Any second? It has been moved by Councilor Cirilo Doc, seconded by Councilor Abraham G. Bakay and Councilor Segundera that we adopt the said committee report and the said item be scheduled for another committee hearing on August 23. Ano oras yun, sir? Wala na ako. Ano yung nakaraan? 1 o'clock ba? So, Councilor Berna, maybe anong oras po kayo? Ano? Mga...
Mayroon tayong committee hearing na still
10 yung nakaraan eh.
ni Councilor Ramay yata. Para doon sa 1. Meron ba yun?
Pwede.
Hindi ko 23 mo. Wala.
Ako may presenta rin. Yung sa akin to.
Ano? Madam Secretary, can you check kung anong oras yung kay Councilor?
Yung kasulan.
Kung may set tayo sa 23.
sila. Level of not yung sila. Hindi ganyan din, never lang. Tomorrow never dies. Sige na, ipag-roll yung same. Tapos na ako.
Clear, So, what time po? 11? Mas maaga. Mahaba kasi yun? Mahaba ba yun?
Mahaba siguro ito, Mr. Vice.
So, 8:30 or 10 yan? Kayo po? Vice chairman natin dito kasi
Si Raul yata.
So I will give this to Councilor Rapago. Maybe you decide po kung anong oras. Since wala, in absence of Councilor Raul Bakay, what time po would you want the hearing? 10:30, okay. The motion of Councilor Doc, duly seconded by Councilor Rapago that we set the adoption of this committee report and the committee hearing is set on August 23, 10:30 in the morning. Next item.
Now we proceed to the business of the day. Under new business, we have the second reading of the resolution adopting the internal rules of procedure of the Sangguniang Panunsod of the City of Alaminos, Province of Pangasinan, for the term 2019 to 2022.
I believe the body is still on the process of amending this. May I request that we move it siguro after 2 more weeks. Okay lang. So can anyone move?
I move to the chairman that the mission be calendar again after 2 weeks.
Yung final na to kasi tagal na masyado. Please take note, Madam Secretary, that our internal rules of procedure be calendared in our next regular session on the 27th of August. Any objection? Hearing none, the IRP is scheduled to is calendared on August 27 in our next regular session. Next item.
Third and final reading of the ordinance creating the City Youth Development Council of Alaminos City, Pangasinan.
Wala siya. Okay natin. Vice Chair.
The absence of the
Majority Leader? Yes.
the absence of the chairman of the committee, Mr. Chair, I move that that action on the said mission be deferred.
Okay. It's been moved by Councilor Doc and seconded by Councilor Season that we defer the said item for third and final reading in our next regular session, August 19. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Next item.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian C. Celeste to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and between the local government unit Alaminos City, Pangasinan and the Land Bank of the Philippines to enable our qualified city government employees to gain access to the livelihood loan facility of the government financial institution.
Councilor Doc.
Mr. Chairman, if there are no more opposition, comments, or objection to this proposed measure, I move for its adoption.
Any second? Seconded by. It has been moved by Councilor Adoc, duly seconded by Councilor Bowling, Councilor Fontelera, for the adoption of the said resolution. Madam Secretary, kindly take note of the correction hour ago to sa statement na yung gross salary. Any other suggestions, amendments, discussions? Hearing none, The said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution reconsidering the membership of two Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board, first and second level positions, and executive managerial positions.
But before I ask for a motion, mag-recess muna. The chair is para one recess. I-amend ba natin yung resolution for the positions?
The previous resolution, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah. Siguro discuss lang natin kung okay po ba kayo doon. Ang ating yung parang community counselor season, pwede magdagdag. Pwede naman magdagdag ng dalawa. So are we, may copy ba sila nito? So sino bang gusto maging member? Ano lang, direction ko na. Sino gusto maging member ng ating person selection board? So, Councilor Bato, and any other volunteers? Sige, ako na. Any other? Ako. Councilor De Castro, any other? Kasi we would have to talk about this. Siyempre. Dalawa lang, dalawa. Okay, pero baka may iba pang gusto mo. Okay. Wala na ba? Last year kasi ganyan din yung ginawa natin. Okay, ginawa natin. Kasi wala naman tayo. Wala naman siya pang may recommend sa anong volunteer, diba? Mine was chairperson on agriculture, si Kafina, at saka yung reason. So, si maganda, si Councilor Dan, majority people. Councilor De Castro, Science Intent, meron ba? Wala na. Siguro may gusto. Ano ba? May recognize. Ano ba? Okay. Walang ano. Wala daw. Oh, we can do it. Ano? We can do it anytime. Pero, I'm always posted. So siguro, in our resolution, we can also put na lang na in the absence of one of those members. Oo. What are the... Siguro we can do it general na lang. Well, I do not know if I'm dead. So, majority we just put it in general na lang. In the absence of one Sangguniang Pangusig member, another Sangguniang Pangusig member shall take its place. Take his or her place. take note of the analysis tayo. Yes. Yes. Siguro, yeah. Better siguro siguro outside. Yes. Pero yung sa inyo, ipangalan natin. O lagay natin to as majority of the leader. Sige. Okay. So we will now resume our session. Okay. So we will on record naman. So, I don't know. Is there a motion? May motion ba? Wala pa. Any motion regarding the said resolution, personal selection board?
Mr. Chairman, I move that the item number 2 on the proposed resolution be entitled to read Resolution Establishing Person Selection Board for 2016-2019 in the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and determining the position of 2019 to 2022 and the part thereof which refer to the members from Sangguniang be amended to read the last member Sangguniang Panglusod Chairperson of Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Livelihood and Cooperative, or in the absence of any of the above officers, any interested Sangguniang member may sit in the board.
Yes, Councilor De Castro announced his intent. So instead na si Chairperson ng Agriculture, Laws and Rules.
Laws and Rules.
Yes. Okay. Any other suggestions? Any second to the motion of Councilor Siri Gulado? So it has been moved by Councilor Siri Gulado, duly seconded by Councilor Apple Bakay, Councilor Carol Dizon Season, Councilor Ganoy, for the adoption of the said resolution. Madam Secretary, kindly take note of the suggestions of Councilor Gulado regarding the title and the composition. Any objection? Amendment? Discussion? Hearing? No object? Bakit ko mag-object ha? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution declaring valid. Resolution declaring operative. Resolution declaring enacted with the conferred powers of the Barangay Council, the ordinance amending ordinance of Barangay Balayadaan, titled an ordinance amending Barangay Ordinance Number 2, Series of 2008 of Barangay Balayadaan, Alaminos, Alaminos City.
Any motion in our ordinance? Councilor Siri Gulado?
Mr. Chairman, if there are no more questions or concerns on the proposed revenue code of Balayadaan, I move for the adoption of the resolution declaring the same as within the powers of the barangay to enact.
Councilor Siri Gulado moves to adopt the said resolution. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Ranoy and Councilor Secundera. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution declaring valid and operative as a whole the barangay budgets of Barangay Inirangan, Kibuar, Balamubong, Balayan, Cabatuan, Dulacak, Maawi, Magsaysay, Palamis, Pukal-Pukal, Pop, San Antonio, Tangkaran, and Telbang.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, there are no more questions on the stated measure, I move for the adoption of the resolution declaring valid and operative the annual as well as the supplemental budgets of the 14 mentioned barangay.
It has been moved by Councilor Siri Radok. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Rabago, Councilor Sison, Councilor Apolonio G. Bakay for the approval of the said, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Any announcement po?
May opening po ng barkadahan sa plaza ngayon. Sana pumapunta tayo lahat. Daan na. Pa-start pa lang naman po yung program. Any po announcements? Again, congratulations to Councilor Caroline Dizon Season. Happy birthday! She is now our third term, second term Provincial Vice President for the Philippine Councilors League. So let us support her in her projects. And tulungan niya rin yung mga councilors natin pag kami Senate. Congratulations. Any other announcements?
Sisibo na lang, okay na.
Hindi na pwede.
Ano lang daw, yung sa traffic po, we have 60 days, 1 week na po tayo. So, kung meron po kayong suggestions kung paano po mas mapaluwag yung traffic natin dito, ay paki-forward nyo lang rin po kay Ma'am Luz or sa akin po. Magandang announcement, Ana?
Sir, announcement po, public hearing po sa ating line and grade ordinance sa August 15.
Line and?
Yung line and, yung backfilling, sir. Line and grade clearance ordinance sa August 15 sa PEB, 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, please participate. Please send the communication to our CSOs as well and the business establishments. Okay? Yes po, Councilor De Leon.
Announcement po, Councilor for
Kanoy is going to celebrate his birthday on August 17. That was Saturday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Masyado mabilis yung pagkanta niyo.
Okay. Any other announcements? Okay, punta po tayo sa plaza. Sana nandun daw, papunta daw si Mayor. Kumakadaan po tayo. Kaway-kaway, kapataan. Okay, Councilor Condolera.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, if no more transact for
Business.
business is, I vote for the adjournment.
That's been moved by Councilor Condolera, to the seconded by Councilor De Leon. Nagalit si Councilor De Leon. That we adjourn our 15 regular session today. And now, call this Sangguniang Paglunsod regular session adjourned. Salamat.